everyone. Today I am presenting a puppet show on the story The Lazy King. Once upon a time, there was a lazy king. He ordered everything from his throne. He ordered his food, he ordered his clothes, and even his water. After some time, he felt sick, and he was getting sick day after day. So one day, an wise saint came. He said, "What's the matter, Your Majesty?" The king said, "I am getting sick day by day." So he said, there's nothing of the matter. You just have to do 5 laps of your castle twice every day, and I will meet you after 2 months. So the king started doing 5 laps of his castle every day twice, and after some time he lost weight and started feeling happy again. So after the 2 months, the saint returned and said, "How are you feeling now, Majesty?" He said, "I am feeling great and I am also happy. As your reward, I will reward you with 500 gold coins." The moral of the story is that health will make you happy and that health is wealth.